Hey there, internet friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and explore its endless possibilities. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will revolutionize the way you interact with AI. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about using ChatGPT correctly. But before we jump right in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future AI adventures. All right, let's start with the basics. What is ChatGPT, you ask? Well, imagine having a personal AI assistant at your fingertips, capable of generating human-like responses to your queries. That's precisely what ChatGPT is. It's an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate text-based conversations. But how do you make the most out of this powerful tool? Stick around and we'll show you the way. Hook alert! Did you know that ChatGPT can write scripts, generate ideas, and even assist with creative writing? That's right. But there's a catch. You need to understand how to prompt it correctly to unleash its full potential. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the do's and don'ts of using ChatGPT prompts, ensuring you get the best out of your AI conversation partner. Timestamp tip. Before we dive deeper, let's take a quick look at the timestamps below. They will help you navigate through different sections of this video, so you can easily find the information you're looking for. All right, let's continue. Prompting ChatGPT is an art, my friend. The key lies in providing clear instructions and using specific guidelines. First things first, start your prompt with a well-defined context or introduction. This sets the stage for the AI and helps it understand your requirements better. Remember, the more detailed your prompt, the more accurate the AI's response will be. Did you think humor was out of the question? Think again. ChatGPT has a funny bone too. By infusing humor into your prompts, you can not only keep your conversations entertaining, but also get creative and hilarious responses. So, why not have some fun while exploring the vast capabilities of AI? The power of ChatGPT lies in collaboration. Yes, you heard it right. Collaboration between human and AI can lead to incredible results. Instead of just asking questions, try playing the role of different characters, or have a conversation with the AI as if it were a real person. You'll be amazed by the engaging and immersive experience it creates. Let's talk about limitations. While ChatGPT is an extraordinary AI, it does have its boundaries. It might generate incorrect or nonsensical answers sometimes. But don't worry, you can always guide it by using system messages or asking it to think step by step before responding. Remember, you're in control of the conversation. Hook alert! Here's a question for you. What if you could use ChatGPT to write an entire story, screenplay, or novel? Well, you can. By providing continuous prompts and building upon the AI's responses, you can create compelling narratives that captivate your readers. It's like having an AI co-author who always has your back. Are you ready to level up your ChatGPT skills? Then it's time to experiment. Don't be afraid to try different approaches and see what works best for you. Tweak your prompts, explore different writing styles, and don't shy away from thinking outside the box. The more you practice, the more you'll master the art of conversing with AI. Timestamp tip. We're nearing the end of our video, but before we wrap things up, take a look at the timestamps below. They'll help you revisit any specific sections you found particularly useful or entertaining. All right, let's move on. Last but not least, remember that ChatGPT is just the beginning. AI technology is evolving rapidly, and there's so much more to explore. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the endless possibilities AI has to offer. Who knows what amazing things you'll create in the future with the help of AI? That's a wrap for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed this ultimate guide to mastering ChatGPT. Now you're equipped with the knowledge and techniques to have meaningful conversations with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow AI enthusiasts. And remember, the AI revolution is just getting started, so stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep chatting and keep creating. This is signing off. See you in the next video.